Okay guys, in this tutorial we're going to cover the slice tool, and in the next one we're going to cover the slice select tool, and you're going to want to watch that immediately after this because they work together. So the slice tool, which is found right here, is basically what you use to slice up an image in order to get it on the web. And what you can do is you can select your ratios up here. You can either do a normal ratio, or you can just select once and then it'll pick it up by itself. But if we Command Option Z, we can also go to a fixed aspect ratio, which would do a 1:1, and then you get a perfect square. So say we wanted this to be our slice here, this is what would be chosen. Or we can even go to something like a fixed size, where I've chosen 115 by 50 pixels. You just clicked once and voila, there you go. You can get 115 by 50 pixels in a fixed size. Now, what I want you to do is to kind of keep this all in mind and now go watch the slice select tool.